What if every house in the UK had solar panels? How much energy could it provide? And how much would it cost? This video will summarize the findings of the article below. Installing solar panels on every house in the UK would generate 63 terawatt-hours of electricity per year. That's 60% of all domestic consumption. Between April and September, solar generation would exceed all domestic electricity demand. Combined with today's wind and nuclear generation, solar would be able to provide all of our domestic consumption. It would cost £133 billion at Leoht's current retail price. Roughly 3.5 track and trace systems. Each unit of solar-generated electricity would cost 6 pence per kilowatt-hour. 68% cheaper than the current retail price. 35% cheaper than nuclear and 47% cheaper than the current wholesale price. It's a paradox. Although renewable energy is much cheaper, expect intermittency to play a key role in pushing fossil fuel and short-term electricity prices to new highs. Until there is enough renewable energy to take over. Get a free solar design today. Find out how much energy your home could generate. If you like this video, please leave a like or a comment.